Hello everybody, I am Adina Diaz, your skincare guru, and I have been getting asked on my Instagram, what are these beautiful bowls? They are Peter Hess sound therapy, sound massage bowls. And for the past year and a half, I've been incorporating them into my treatments. But just recently, I did a more in-depth training with the company. And now my facials and my treatments are just like on another level. So most people know a little bit about sound therapy. It's gonna help with anxiety, it's gonna help with depression, it's gonna help with stress, migraines. The amount of healing properties that the sound therapy give to you is just unlimited in my opinion. But these bowls particularly are really different and unique for multiple reasons. First and foremost, I absolutely love the brand. I love Peter Hess's brand. I love the daughter, Yana, who I met a year and a half ago at the Indie Beauty Expo, and I fell in love right away with her and with the company and with the bowls. So every single bowl is going to be virgin material. So this is virgin tin and copper, all hand hammered. So all of them are vetted really well, designed, a lot of love, a lot of care, and they give off a different sound. But what's so unique about these bowls is that they go directly on your body. So this is the cosmetic bowl. So this is gonna go on the face. So this is like the new jam right here. I'm obsessed with adding this into the treatments. This is going to be a natural alternative to microcurrent and Botox. Not only does the penetration, whenever I strike the bowl or hit the bowl with the mallet, give a relaxing, soothing sound and feeling, but it also is allowing the products that's on the top layer of the face to actually penetrate deeper. And it's gonna be tightening and toning the whole area. I am so happy that I can be able to offer this to my clients. But the other thing too is that I actually sell these guys now too, which you can buy on my website. And it's the whole concept of like, if you do a facial, you still want to go home and still cleanse, exfoliate, moisturize, do all the things. You still want a routine. So with sound therapy, I'm doing a professional treatment on you, but still don't neglect yourself at home. It's so easy. You literally just hold it in the areas that you need the therapy, and 5 minutes a day helps greatly reduce anxiety, depression, stress. And I like to incorporate it into my morning meditation. So there you go. There's a little bit about that. I'm actually going to use a model and show you how I do it quickly on the front and the back side. It's not going to be as in depth as if I were doing an actual full treatment on you, but I wanted you guys to have a little idea on these bowls and how magical they are, because they're truly so healing from the inside out. You're literally vibrating on a higher level. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Another deep, 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 deep breath in with a good energy. Exhale that energy. So that's that, and thank you so much for asking questions about it, because now I did a YouTube for you guys. And if you guys have any comments or questions or issues, leave comments down below. And also, we're gonna leave a link on there so you can be able to purchase any of these bowls on the website. Alrighty, have a beautiful rest of, well, it's just started 2020. All right, bye.